YouTube, today I'm going to do a quick weave with the middle part and a little bit of leave out. I used 3 bundles of the Natural Dream Ocean Wave hair. Each bundle was 30 inches and cost $13.99 each. You can pretty much do a quick weave with any hair as long as you're able to blend the weave with your real hair. So first I started off by washing, blow drying, and braiding my natural hair. I left a section of hair out at the top for my leave out. I put a wig cap on to protect my hair from the glue. They have more ways to protect your hair from the glue, but I only used the wig cap. So next I started gluing the tracks to the wig cap. I measure and cut the track, place it on the wig cap, and then hold it down. You can also use a blow dryer once you place the track to better secure it. So I'm going to go ahead and continue placing the tracks until I get to the top. I also brush the hair after I install each bundle to avoid tangling from me cutting the hair. So once I get to the top, I use needle and thread to sew the cap down because I'm getting ready to cut the cap and style my leave out. I feel like sewing the cap down makes the hairstyle more secure, especially because it's a quick weave and you're cutting the cap where your leave out is. Alright, so as you can see, I'm cutting the tracks in the front because I placed them too close to the front of my head. The hair is glued on the wig cap, so I can just easily cut the tracks off. When I cut the cap to expose my leave out, it caused the tracks to move a little, which is why it's also a good idea to sew the cap down. We don't want any tracks on our forehead, guys, so make sure you cut that if that happens to you. So I'm adding one more track as close to my leave out so there's no gaps and you can't see any tracks. I'll also be adding tracks in between pieces of my leave out to blend my hair and the weave. So I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my real hair before I add the tracks to blend it. I used heat protector and a wax stick to flat iron my hair. My flat iron wasn't working that well. I feel like I could have gotten it a little bit straighter, but it was fine. Alright you guys, if you are still here, thank you so much for watching. So since each bundle was 30 inches, I wanted to add a little bit of layers. So I just cut the hair to make it look a little more natural, especially in the front, to blend with my real hair. Usually I buy the hair in layers, so if it was 30 inches, I would buy like 26 inch, 28 inch, and 30 inch. But they only had 30 inches available, so I just went ahead and did the 30 inch and decided I'll just cut it and layer it myself. So after I cut the hair, I added mousse and got to be gel to lay my edges. I laid my hair down with the hair scarf for about 20 minutes, and that was pretty much it. Quick and cute style, under 50 bucks. Alright you guys, so once again, thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment what you think, and subscribe for more. Thank you guys.